lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to our lovely space. In today's video, I'm just going ahead to pack up an order I got late last night. If you're new here, this is something that we have been doing for quite a while now, and I'm just backing this order here real time to talk about an update I have recently received. But before we go into that, I'm packing a set of earrings, and these are one of my very first Tola Lusi troves earrings that I will not be selling. I'm just packing this as a free gift to this particular customer because she bought 2 items, and yeah, more about that in the rest of the vlog. So as I was saying, there's been sort of an uprising on Vinted for a while now, and for those who sell on Vinted as well, you might have heard, or if you're active on social media, you probably must have heard about some of the changes or updates that have started to come out on Vinted. So there's been, we'll talk about that later in the vlog. Anyway, this is some of the earrings that I have been creating for my collection that will be launching very soon. You guys are not ready. Just stay tuned for all of the updates on my launch date. It is definitely coming sooner than you think. Anyway, I'm just going downstairs to prepare for school prep. This is one of the days that I get to participate in this morning ritual. My husband usually does this. So on the day that I'm not going to work, I try to take over and sort the boys out, get them ready for school. And I want to post a package as well. The package is on the post or pack up at the beginning of this video. Anyway, the night before I made some chicken, and I don't know how I forgot that in the air fryer. But anyway, today's video is also going to be amplifying the use of some of my Cosori items. I'm using this 10-liter air fryer here, and it is such a game changer in my kitchen. I love that it is just a big basket that I can just stuff whatever in. I have cooked 2 chickens in this particular air fryer. It takes a ton of stuff. I've done about 5 whole mackerel fish in the basket. It takes a lot of things, I mean, like you can tell. I'm also going ahead to prepare lunch/dinner, and we're having beans. I love beans. I don't know about anybody else, but beans is one of my absolute favorite things to eat in this life. I don't know how, but it has always been like that since I was a child. Anyway, you see me go from breakfast to lunch/dinner, breakfast to lunch/dinner, but I'm just trying to multitask here and focus on getting the boys out on time. I'm making hot chocolate as well in the background. Yeah, so let's go back to what I was talking about before we get to leave this house. So Vinted, they've been having some issues, and apparently some weird people have been using the platform to market and sell or just use the platform for child trafficking, really. And I don't know how the investigation is going, because I know an investigation has been launched to investigate the matter. But honestly, guys, just be careful with where you shop or what you shop, and you know what you are buying. Try to read the description of every item that is listed on there, and also please be very careful with your wording if you are a Vinted seller as well. Okay, I don't want to say too much about it, but let's get back into the vlog. So I packed up the boys' lunch and I dropped them off at school, and on my way back I stopped at a nearby InPost Locker. This is so easy to use, and I'm just so grateful for this invention, because I can just print my labels at home, and if you want to print your labels at the machine, it also gives you that option as well. So all I do is just scan my goods and select what compartment will be suitable for the item, and you know, wait for it to open up, post my item, and click done, and that's it. I get a notification almost immediately to let me know that the item has been received and it's in the locker and will be picked up soon and on the way to the buyer. Anyway, I don't know if anyone else uses the InPost Locker, but if you are not using it, you might want to consider it, because it actually makes life so much easier. Anyway, so I'm stopping at Tesco just to pick up a few things, family essentials for the week. We have to top up our milk and some fruits in the house. I don't think I did a haul for this, but anyway, I just got some milk and some fruits. Not sure what else I got. Anyway, back home, and I'm just going to go ahead and get ready for the day. How's everyone doing in the comment section? Just type me a I'm doing fine, hi. I cannot be the only one who doesn't fully get ready before they go for school runs. I mean, sometimes I'm put together by this time. I've had my bath, I'm ready for the day, but most of the time I'm always looking something like this. Besides, it's almost hair wash day, and my hair is not looking very good, so that's why this cap is gonna stay on for the duration. Anyway, quick change into more comfortable house shoes. I love these shoes from Shein. I wear them almost every day, or I wear the other one. They just keep my feet snug. I'm one of those people who hate cold feet, because once my feet gets cold, it takes a lot to get it back to normal temperature. Anyway, I'm going over to use my second Cosori item, and this is my rice cooker that I use for a lot of things. Today I'm going to be using it to make beans, and I've just gone ahead to pick my beans, wash it, and I've just chopped some onions and some crayfish, roughly blended that, put that in as well. I'm also going to be using some sweet potatoes. These are too soft to do anything else with, so I'm just going to boil them in my beans and mash them up later. So I just cut them into large chunks, and I'm just going to let that boil for a while. I'm using the white rice setting to just pre-boil these beans, because I mean, it helps with gas and all of that. So yeah, I try to parboil my beans, and that's what the first boil was for. So that's the second boil, and I'm just going to boil the potatoes in, and when it's soft enough, we'll continue the beans. All right, so let's get to our first meal of the day, and this is probably going to be the only meal until I have my dinner, which is the beans I'm currently cooking. Have you seen the size of these grapes? They do not look real, but the way they are seedless, which has now become the normal thing to see around now. You hardly get grapes with seeds. But anyway, I'm making a parfait, and I'm just having yogurt, some chia seeds, grapes, oranges, some sultanas, and I'm just finishing that up with some desiccated coconut, and it was delicious. Anyway, check back on my potatoes, and this was about 30 minutes after that, and they're soft enough to blend. I'm just going to give that a very smooth blend, and it sort of looks like what's it called, pumpkin mash, but it's sweet potatoes. I'm also going in with my chopped peppers. I'm going in with palm oil as well, and just a little water to top up what I have there, and just let that go slow cook for the next 2 hours. This is much later in the day, and I'm just having someone's leftover rice because I'm a mom, and this is my life now. I'm also having chicken. I believe it or not, chicken goes with beans. I tell you, I can have beans in my sleep, but you guys, this was dinner, and it was absolutely delicious. This is my first time putting sweet potatoes in my beans, and when I tell you that it slapped, it slapped. In case the question is on your mind, yes, I had beans twice that day. Sue me. I had beans twice that day. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.